This is the headlight dimmer switch from a 1972 Continental Mark IV. You see, I think this is the low beam. See, the test light is on. Now it's off. Now it's on. Now it's off. Then if I switch it over here to this one's on when that one was off. And now it's off and on. And then the other one will be off, which I think is the low. And it's off. And this one was intermittent, and it took a lot of wiggling of the switch to maybe get it to be on. I think this was my problem, why the headlights would not dim unless I wiggled with the switcher quite a bit. So what I did before I tried to disassemble this, which maybe you can't put it back together, is put some electrical cleaning hot shot liquid or whatever it's called, or Sure Shot or something like that, in here, and then turn it upside down and get it into the mechanism. I haven't put it on the car yet, but my guess is that was the problem. I may exercise it 100 more times here and put a little bit more electrical cleaning fluid in it. But I think that was the issue with the automatic headlight dimmer on the 72 Mark IV. But I could hear the relay clicking, so it probably wasn't the clicking when this would come on and off. Whether the dimming system itself works, the sensor, I don't know. Not concerned with that too much. As long as my low beam and high beam work, and I can put it on, have the lights on low beam, versus now they wanted to stay on high beam. So there you go.